how to design the express checkout button in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our website right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the online store. So just click that, and under the themes, just click the customize right there. And then once you do that, in this part, you will see this settings. So just click the theme settings right there, and then just scroll down in this part until you see checkout. So here it is. So just click the drop down button. And then if you scroll down right there, you will see that we can edit the banner, the logo, the main content area, order summary, and so on. So to edit it, all you have to do is to just upload the background image that you want to use. So just click select right there, and then just upload the image that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So just upload that, and then let's wait for this to finish. And then just check the image right there, and then click done. And then once you do that, as you can see, we now have added a background image. And then for the logo, just click the select button again, and then just choose the logo that you want to use. So I'm just gonna use this as our example, and then click done again. For the position, if you want to put it in the left, in the right, or in the center, it's up to you. Same goes for the logo size, so you can also change that. And then for the main content area, you can just upload the image right here once again. So just upload the image, and then click that, and then click done. So you can also change the background color if you want to. So form fields, you can also do that if you want it to be white or transparent. Now for the summary, just upload the image once again for your background. So just click done. And then for the background color, you can also change the background color right there. And for the typography, you can change the headings, you can change the font. Same goes for the body. Now, currently, Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box and the pinned comment section. So you will see a link right there which will redirect you into this page. Now going back into our video, so you can just also, of course, edit the colors if you want to. So for the checkout layout, you can change it into 1-page checkout or 3-page checkout, but I will just leave it as it is. And then once you're now done with it, just click the save button, and then you are now basically good to go. So you've already edited the checkout page. So once again, that is how to design Express Checkout button in Shopify.